I go shopping, want it, then I cop it, ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy, ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he eat it, ayy.
Ice cold in this bitch. Ice cold in this bitch.
I'm so indecisive, you can't cuff me, but I'm wifey. I just want a nigga who gon' slurp me like a icy. Bitches bite me so hard, had to put them on a diet.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. For today's video, it's going to be my moving vlog. Let me turn down my TV so
It's an FBI.
or just mute it. So this video is going to be the moving vlog. Finally I moved out. I'm so high, but I'm coming to you guys from the future because I didn't record an intro. I wasn't able to record an intro for you guys because this process was crazy. So we went to U-Haul, picked up our U-Haul, then we went to IKEA. When I got to IKEA, I was super overwhelmed, so I didn't really vlog a lot in IKEA. It was a lot of people. As you guys know, around this time is quarantine time. Things were just opening up, so it was a lot of people out in these streets. So it was too many people in there. I couldn't focus, and I couldn't vlog. I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to, but I feel like with editing so far, I feel like I got some good things for you guys. But you guys let me know what else you guys would like to see. Any updates or anything, let me know in the comments down below. This is going to be a 2-part moving vlog, and of course I'm going to try to take you guys further along with like decorating and stuff like that for the different rooms. But yeah, let's get into it. So we're just going to act like we're going to rewind and act like this is the day of moving. So let's get to the vlog. How many seats is in there? 4? Oh, 3. This isn't that big. Almost left my cam. I told you it was gonna be enough seats.
Sit on the paper.
Here's my mirror.
I'm not sure, bro.
You just seeing that? What? Oh, you're under? Do you see the beds? What are you doing? Huh? You found a mattress? You want me to do this?
There's the mirror.
Oh, are you getting a tabletop, Lil? The table. The tabletop. Alright.
Grab the other side.
Alright, so that's that. $28. So we can go to 6 next. Oh, this is aisle 6. Aisle 6, bin 40. 40 is this way. I was hoping that the damn, like this one got 3 pieces.
What's this?
You see it? 1, 2. This one will take forever. Let me help put this stuff up. Zuri Lane. Zuri Lane.
Why are you wearing both of them?
Wearing what?
Why are you wearing both of them?
I don't know what you're talking about. Zuri Lane. That was all.
Why is your floor is not? Hey y'all.
Be careful with
This can't go.
Zuri.
Yes.
Falls off. Okay, so real quick empty apartment tour. This is the front door. Living room. Kitchen. Bathroom. This is the bathroom downstairs. Boom. And then this is the back. This is like a back room. I'm gonna use this as like my office. Yeah, that. And then we're going through the kitchen again. And then go upstairs. And so there's 2 bedrooms. My bedroom is on, I guess, yeah, my right side. This is my bedroom. So freaking huge. I have to figure out how I'm gonna like set it up and stuff, but that's that. And then the tiny little closet. This closet is so small, but that's that. And then this room is my brother's room. Big room again. Little closet. And then my brother has a bathroom. Lucky. But I get the room downstairs in my room, so that's why I let him get the room that has the bathroom. So yeah, they're calling me, so be right back. What? It's 11:30, I think, around 11:30 at night. This is how my room is looking so far. Yeah, haven't really done much, but blew up my blow up mattress because my bed will be here tomorrow, I think. I'm about to take out my mirror and look at it, but that's about it that we're gonna do. Oh, Carter's here. He just looking around, looking scared. But that's about all we're gonna do because we're just really tired from today. So yeah, see you guys in the morning. Box spring didn't work, so now we're building the bed frame to see if we can do it without the box spring. Hey guys, it's day 3 of the move-in, and We went to HOMEGOODS today, so I'm going to show you guys like what I got from HOMEGOODS, and then like I sorted out my room a little bit, so I'll show you guys that. And then I need to do like my back room, which is going to be like my office, like my workspace / office and stuff. So I'll show you guys like the process of that and how that looks right now, and I'll show you guys the process of my room and like my idea for it, and then I'll like put away the stuff that I got from HOMEGOODS. But yeah, stuff is slowly coming together. Slowly coming together. Like there's a lot more that needs to be done, but you guys are going to see the whole process, and I'll just show you guys what I got from HOMEGOODS today. So there was a line for HOMEGOODS, but the line moved kind of fast, and then they closed earlier, I guess. They closed at 7 today. But the line moved kind of fast, but then like once you got in, the line to check out was like crazy. So it is what it is. It'll be a while before I go back to HOMEGOODS. Hopefully like when all the hype calms down from like them just opening up and stuff. But yeah. So I'm trying to see if fire gonna come down. But and they're doing fireworks outside, so this is literally a daily thing in Philly. So first things first that I got is like this 2-pack of pillows, like this navy blue color, and they were like on sale for $18. I was thinking of putting these on the couch. I wanted the main colors of the living room is like gray. Yeah, gray and white. So I wanted to like add a color, you know, add a little pop of color. So I got this, I got these pillows to put on the couch, and then I got this throw blanket. I got this throw blanket to put on the couch as well, so it can be like some blue, like that can be, you know, the pop of color, like navy blue, dark blue. But yeah, this throw blanket and these pillows, and then I got this thing to put by the door for like our mail. Like when we get mail, it'll just go in there. If it doesn't like belong to you, we'll just put it in here. And then it has hooks, so I can put my keys on here. I'm gonna put my keys on here, and then Carter's like leash and stuff, so our keys, and then Carter's like leash and like collar will go on there, so we can just grab it really quick. Next I got these like these knobs. Like I got these knobs for I say so much like this. So yeah, I got these knobs for my dresser in my room. They right now have like silver, like the little regular silver knobs that came with the drawer, the dresser, but I don't like those. I want these. I want to, you know, class it up a bit, make it a little bit more elegant. I wanted to get 2 packs of these, like the 6-pack. There's 5 drawers, so 10 knobs, but they only had this one, so it's going to be this. And then I got these bigger ones to put like at the top 2 drawers, so hopefully it doesn't look like crazy or weird. But yeah, got these. And then I got Carter a little bone because he's been like, you know, it's a new place for him, kind of weird, like it's weird, he doesn't know like too much. He keeps like jumping in the car like, okay sis, like are we going home now? Like every time I open the door and like grab stuff out the car, he like tries to get in the car and like stay in the car, like he's ready to go home. So he just started like walking up and down the steps by himself. So he's getting like he's getting used to the place. But I just got him this bone and I got him some treats and stuff just to make him, you know, a little bit more happy, feel a little bit more better about the move. So yeah. And next I got these set of drawers. Has 9 drawers in there, and I'm gonna put this in my office for like inventory, my business inventory. I'm gonna put in these drawers. Next I got these slippers. Like, yes, I need these. I've been looking everywhere for like fuzzy socks, and like everywhere is sold out. They don't have any, so I decided to just get these slippers, and these will just be, you know, my house shoes. So that's exciting. Is this the right foot? Next I got these hangers. I got these hangers for my closets. Like I got these two closets from IKEA. I don't know if I showed you guys them, but I got these 2 closets that I need to build for my room, for my clothes, because I need extra room for my clothes. Like we have a little closet in there, and I have like my jackets hung up in there. So I got these to put in the closet, so you know the hangers could be like, you know, look the same in the closets and look nice. So I got these, and then I got this 4-pack of washcloths, just for like guests and stuff. So I'll probably just keep this in like my closet upstairs, or I'll probably I'll probably keep them in my closet upstairs, maybe, if I can even get them in there. But yeah, I got these for guests when or if anybody comes over here and stays and like takes a shower and stuff. Next I got these hand towels. I got this pack of 2 hand towels for my bathroom down here. My bathroom down here, I'm doing like marble and black and white, and then I wanted to do like a pop of color, so I decided to get like these purple hand towels for the, you know, like the bar in there. So this will be my one little pop of color in that room. And then I got, like I said, I'm doing marble in my bathroom, so I got this toothbrush holder. I already have the soap thing in the trash can marble, so I got this. I couldn't find like a marble toothbrush holder at Walmart, so I'm happy that I found this at HOMEGOODS. So that's gonna go in there. And then I got one more thing that I already took to my office room, so I'll show you guys that. I love this. Like, this was my favorite pickup from HOMEGOODS, from my HOMEGOODS trip. Oh, what is that? Lastly, I got this picture, like this, you know, this picture, like it's not a picture, you know, this quote thing. It says she writes her own rules and inspires others to follow. I love this. Like, I love this quote so much. It was $20 from HOMEGOODS, and I'm gonna put it in here somewhere. I have a few other things that I'm gonna hang up in here, so it's gonna be that. So I guess this picture kind of chose the color scheme for the room. As you guys can see, I already have like this furry chair. I don't know if it's really showing up the color, but it's like the same color as that pink. This is pink. I don't know why it's not looking pink to me, but it's pink. But I have like that furry pink chair. That's for my clients. And then so I guess the color scheme is going to be gold and pink back here. And then I have this pink rug that I used in my workspace before as well. So that's pink. Then I have this this little drawer set. That's pink. So yeah, I guess we're doing pink. And then this thing is like my laptop mat that goes on top of my desk. That's pink. So we're doing pink and gold. That artwork, you know, that J over there, that's going to be hung up in here. I have another gold J. I might put that up in here. I might put that in my room. I'm doing gold in my room too. That I do have a black and white like quote thing that I'll probably put that in my room. Yeah, I'll probably put that in my room. And then I have the Coco Chanel quote that I might put in my room as well. I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to, you guys already seen the office, so I'm about to get back there and straighten this out because I need to get back to work soon. So the room has to be done. So let's get to it. Hey, me again, guys. So this is going to be the end of part 1 of this moving vlog. So this one is done. I'm glad you made it through. Now go watch part 2. Bye.